so now we're going to get into some of the makeup. We have some really good deals going on in cosmetics at CVS this week. So all the L'Oreal makeup is spend $15 and you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. Now I'm waiting on a friend to message me back to see what color I should get, but I believe, going to be getting this L'Oreal Flawless Powdered Foundation. So it's $15.99. It will qualify for the $5 back. I have a $5 off any L'Oreal cosmetic on my card, but if that doesn't come off for some reason, I do have this CRT that printed at the end of my receipt. So that's going to bring my total down to $10.99. Then I also have the $2 off L'Oreal face coupon from the March 1st Retail Me Not. I also have the $3 off L'Oreal, Maybelline, or Garnier CRT. That's going to bring my total down to $5.99. Then I also have a $3 off L'Oreal that is expired that may still work, as well as a $3 off 10 L'Oreal Cosmetics. So I'm going to try to get this out of pocket down as low as possible. Okay, so I settled on the creamy natural color. We're going to see how this works. Okay, let's go see how much of this comes off at the register. Okay, so I have $10 in extra care bucks that I need to spend. I also have a $3 off 15 CoverGirl CRT. So I'm going to get one of the CoverGirl brow pencils for $5.99.
See you next week.
All of the CoverGirl cosmetics are buy two, get $6 back in extra care bucks. Now I need to spend $15, so I'm going to grab another brow pencil for $5.99. And then I believe this is like $6.79.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, this is $6.79. So I'm going to get two pencils plus the professional clear mascara. Okay, so here's what I'm getting of the CoverGirl products. My total after my CRT and my $3 off coupons is going to be $6.77, but I am going to get $6 back in extra care bucks, making all three of these 77 cents. Now, I just remembered also, my mind is, I don't know where it is today, but I keep adding stuff to my total here. For my birthday this month, I got an email from CVS saying I get a free paparazzi nail polish, so that is on my card. The paparazzi nail polish are on sale, 2 for $5. When you buy 2, you're gonna get $4 back in extra care bucks. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. I'm gonna pay $2.50 out of pocket for them, and then I'm gonna get $4 back in extra care bucks, making this a moneymaker. I don't know if you guys have tried the paparazzi yet or not, but I did get 2 of these last week or 2 weeks ago. Anyway, it is what I have on my nails right now. Both of these are paparazzi colors, and I really like them. As long as you put a clear coat over it, they work really well. And they have a large variety of colors. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 of these out. Okay, now we're ready to head to the register. Okay, so with the cosmetic transaction, everything went smoothly, went as planned. I got 2 of the paparazzi nail polish, and like I said, I did have an email for my birthday this month. They sent me a coupon for a free paparazzi nail polish. So instead of paying $5 for 2 of them, I paid $2.50 for 2 of them, and I got back $4 in extra care bucks, so that was a moneymaker for me. I got 2 of the CoverGirl brow pencils, as well as a CoverGirl mascara. And then I got the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I used 3 of the $3 off coupons for the CoverGirl. I used a $2 off manufacturer coupon for the L'Oreal foundation. I had a $5 off L'Oreal face CRT, a $3 off 15 CoverGirl CRT, a $3 off 10 L'Oreal CRT, a $3 off, that was the instant coupon that printed for me, and then I paid with $10 in extra care bucks. My subtotal was $2.75. I saved a total of 93%, and I got back $15 in extra care bucks, which means that was a moneymaker for me. I got back $5 for the L'Oreal Cosmetics, $6 for the CoverGirl, and $4 for the paparazzi nail polish. What a great deal. Okay, for this transaction, I'm going to be getting 4 of the Boost protein shakes. They are on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 4 of them, you're going to get $8 back in extra care bucks. Now, we're also going to be using 2 of the $4 off 2 from the March 1st Retail Me Not. Alright, that's all I'm going to get on this one. Let's go ahead and head to the register. Okay, I decided not to run out to my car in between these 2 transactions, but here are the 4 Boost 6-packs I bought at buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 of the $4 off manufacturer coupons, and then I paid the rest with extra care bucks. My total out of pocket was 0. I saved 100%, and then I ripped it off already, but I did get back $8 in extra care bucks. Okay, so for this deal, I'm going to take advantage of the spend $15 on L'Oreal products, get $5 back in extra care bucks, and it took me a little while to decide what I was going to get. The eyeshadows we have are $9.49 instead of a little over $6, so I was going to get one of the powders for $11.49 and one of the eyeshadows, but I changed my mind. So I am going to get one of these powders for $11.49, the True Match coverage. Now, when I was here earlier, I did get the Creamy Natural in this type of powder, but as you can see, they're out of that. So I'm gonna go with the Natural Beige. And then I'm also gonna get one of the L'Oreal Paris mascaras. I guess we'll get this one. That is $10.99. Okay, so I did get the $10 off L'Oreal CRT, as well as the $3 off L'Oreal, Garnier, and Maybelline. I am going to use these 2 out of the March 1st Retail Me Not. My total after coupons is going to be $4.98, and I will get $5 back in extra care bucks, making this a moneymaker. Again, I'm also going to grab 2 more of the paparazzi nail polish. I do have a free one on my account. I'm going to pay $2.50 for 2 of them, and I will get $4 back in extra care bucks, so that's a pretty good deal. Okay, so every transaction I've done so far today went really well, except for this last one gave us a lot of trouble. But the cashier was able to push it through, and everything worked out great. So I had a $10 off L'Oreal CRT, L'Oreal Cosmetic CRT. I bought one of the mascaras for $8.49. Well, actually it was $10.99, but I think she had to price override this. I also got one of the L'Oreal True Match powders for $11.49. I got 2 of the paparazzi nail polish for $2.50 each. Now for my coupons, I had a $2 off coupon for the L'Oreal face. I'm not sure what that other $2 off coupon is. I had a coupon for a free paparazzi nail polish. I had the $10 off L'Oreal CRT. Oh, that was for the mascara. So my coupon for the mascara was actually $2.50 off. But since she had to price override it, she put a $2 off coupon down here, and then she lowered the price of the mascara for me. So, I paid my total out of pocket with $7 in extra care bucks. Let's see. Total savings. Let's see, I paid $1.99 out of pocket after my extra care bucks. My total savings was 93%. And I got back $9 in extra care bucks, $5 for the L'Oreal, and $4 for the paparazzi nail polish. So this was a moneymaker. This is going to be my last video for today for couponing at CVS. As you guys can see, it's getting dark outside. My husband is wondering where I've been for the last couple of hours. Of course, he knows that I was out making videos for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this set of videos. If you did, hit that like button for me. It really means a lot to me, and it helps other people to be able to see my videos. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to find out about the amazing deals that I post, and because I really like it when you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. As always, if you guys have any questions, you can post them in the comments below. I will answer them as quickly as I possibly can. And I hope everybody has a great rest of your week. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys later.